Hello everyone. Today we are going to explain most important MCQ of Commerce Paper 2 for upcoming exam May 2021. Before starting with the MCQ, I want to tell you that Global Online University has come up with new test series for Commerce Paper 2 for upcoming May 2021 exam from this month. अगर आप भी चाहते हैं कि आपका नेट एग्जाम क्लियर हो जाए तो you can join us where we will provide you 100 MCQ per test with explanation. We will solve the previous year question paper. We will provide you the answers in PDF. To join, you can contact on below given number. Crack your upcoming exam with us May 2021. आप हमारा ऐप भी डाउनलोड कर सकते हैं ग्लोबल ऑनलाइन यूनिवर्सिटी फ्रॉम योर प्ले स्टोर। चलो तो फिर MCQ स्टार्ट करते हैं। A rectangular hyperbola shaped demand curve on all its points has options are equal slope of the price demand curve, price elasticity equal to unit, verifying price elasticity, both slope and price elasticity equal। इस क्वेश्चन का करेक्ट आंसर है ऑप्शन नंबर डी, both slope and price elasticity equal। Inverse relationship variation in price and quantity demanded is not due to. Options are income effect, substitution effect, future expectations, and law of diminishing marginal utility. प्राइस एंड क्वांटिटी डिमांडेड में इनवर्स रिलेशन में जो वेरिएशन होता है वो फ्यूचर एक्सेप्टेशन की वजह से नहीं होता। Which kind of economics explain the phenomena of cause and effect relationship? Options are normative, positive, micro and macro। इस क्वेश्चन का करेक्ट आंसर है ऑप्शन नंबर बी, पॉजिटिव इकोनॉमिक्स एक्सप्लेन द फेनोमेना ऑफ कॉजेस एंड इफेक्ट रिलेशनशिप। इसमें से कौन सा एक बेसिक प्रॉपर्टी नहीं है इंडिफरेंट कर्व का? ऑप्शंस आर indifferent curve have a negative slope, indifference curve of imperfect substitution are concave to the origin, indifference curve do not intersect nor they are tangent to one another, upper indifference curve indicate higher level of satisfaction। इस क्वेश्चन का करेक्ट आंसर है ऑप्शन नंबर बी, indifferent curve of imperfect substitution are concave to the origin। ये बेसिक प्रॉपर्टी नहीं है इंडिफरेंट कर्व का। इसमें से कौन सा स्टेटमेंट सही है? ऑप्शंस आर pivot profit is the return in excess of opportunity cost, accounting profit is the excess of total revenue over and above the explicit and implicit cost, profit maximization is the objective of modern firm, profit is maximum when the difference between marginal revenue and marginal cost is maximum। Pivot profit is the return in excess of opportunity cost। ये स्टेटमेंट सही है। Ordinal utility analysis of the consumer behavior is considered superior to the cardinal utility analysis mainly due to assumption of the rationality of the consumer behavior, possibility of the derivation of the consumer demand, bifurcation of price effect into income and substitution effect, consideration of the available limited resources for satisfying consumers demand। इस क्वेश्चन का करेक्ट आंसर है ऑप्शन नंबर सी, bifurcation of price effect into income and substitution effect। In case the elasticity of the demand on an average revenue curve is equal to the utility, the marginal revenue will be, options दिए गए हैं, more than utility, equal to utility, equal to fraction of utility and equal to zero। इस क्वेश्चन का करेक्ट आंसर है ऑप्शन नंबर डी, in case the elasticity of the demand on an average revenue curve is equal to utility, the marginal revenue will be equal to zero। The Marshallian utility analysis is based on less valid assumption of cardinal measurability of the utility, given marginal utility of the money, diminishing marginal utility of the goods, additivity of the utility। इस क्वेश्चन का करेक्ट आंसर है ऑप्शन नंबर ए, मार्शलियन यूटिलिटी एनालिसिस is based on a less varied assumption of cardinal measurability of the utility। इसमें से कौन सा स्टेटमेंट गलत है? ऑप्शंस आर normally a price demand curve slope downward from left to right, economy of scale and economies of slope are the same, for optimization equality between marginal cost and marginal revenue is a necessary condition but it is not a sufficient one, law of variable proportion denote input output relationship during a short run। इस क्वेश्चन का करेक्ट आंसर है ऑप्शन नंबर बी, इकोनॉमीज ऑफ स्केल एंड इकोनॉमीज ऑफ स्लोप आर नॉट सेम। मार्जिनल कॉस्टिंग टेक्निक जो होती है वो किसके लिए यूजफुल होती है? ऑप्शंस आर मेक और बाय डिसीजन, प्रॉफिट प्लानिंग, शटडाउन डिसीजंस एंड ऑल ऑफ द अबव। मार्जिनल कॉस्टिंग टेक्निक is useful for shutdown decision. When the average cost is declining, marginal cost must be declining, marginal cost must be above average cost, marginal cost must be below average cost and marginal must be raising। इस क्वेश्चन का करेक्ट आंसर है ऑप्शन नंबर सी, when average cost is declining, marginal cost must be below average cost।